Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recover or restore deleted projects in VN Video Editor app. So if you accidentally deleted a project in VN Video Editor, you don't need to worry because you can easily recover or restore the deleted projects in VN Video Editor. And this is how you are going to do it. So first, I'm going to just find the VN apps on my phone. So just launch the VN Video Editor application. Once you on the app, here you can just find the you can just go to your profile to find the deleted projects. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner and you'll see the project trash. Okay, so what you need to do is click on this project trash and choose the projects that you want to recover. If you want to only recover one of the projects, you can just click on the circle, and here at the bottom you'll see the recover options. You can see, now when you go back to the home page, the projects that you recover is seen in here. Go back to the home page. But if you have more than one projects on trash, and you want to recover all of them, you can tap on select all and again tap on recover. So for further prevention, if you don't want to get your projects gone again, you can just use, or you can just sign in here first to VN so that you can upload your projects into the cloud. So let's just try to log in. I'm going to just use my my Google account. Okay, you need to sign up first. Set your username and emails in here. Now once you sign up, you can just click on this, and apparently there is no cloud on VN. So maybe what you need to do is just back up your projects to safeguard your work. You can click on this three dots icon, you can move it to folder, or you can also share it first to maybe your other device or account, so that you have two duplicates of the project, or you can also just duplicate it in here. And so that's how you can recover or restore deleted projects in the VN Video Editor app. If you like with this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you still have question, and subscribe for more VN Video Editor tips and troubleshooting guides. And also don't forget to click on the thanks button. Bye!